Welcome to the fitness rave. I hope you're ready to strut your stuff. Step, point, step, point. Right, left, right, step together, then you run. Good, run. Jump to the side and bring it down. Speed this up, you've got it. Step, hit, yes. Woo! I already messed up, but I don't care. Step and run right here, go run. Yes. Wow. Jump. Strut in front and walk, walk, walk. Two poses, pose and pose. Yes. Walk back, pose. Yes. Queen. You're the fiercest diva here. Walk, right, left. Walk, 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 pose, walk. 3 walks. If you want to turn like Haley and Allison, you can. That's not my journey. My equilibrium does not allow it. Da, da, da. Roll up. Good. If your knees are kind of creaky, you don't have to get down low. There's no shame in that. Let's practice. Go step up, step up, right, left, right, step together, run. Run like you're chasing the thing you want most in this life. And then bring it down, all cute. Let's go, step, hey! Right, left, right again. Woo! You're so fierce. Run like you're running towards the Bath & Body semi-annual sale. Strut front. 2 poses, hey. Walk it, rock, walk. 3 walks, then you hit it. Haley and Allison, you getting nauseous yet? Woo! Open. You're opening your heart up to someone you're unsure about. Maybe they've hurt you before, but you tell yourself, this time's gonna be different. Surely. I want to go to a club again. We hope you had a great time doing this dance with us. If you want to watch the official video, click right here. If you want to keep dancing with us, we do 60-minute sweat sessions every single week. You can click right here. And also, we just launched a brand new Spotify playlist. It's Workout by The Fitness Marshall. You can find it on Spotify. The link is below.